The Barista Express has a bit of a learning curve, so if you're new and just want a nice cup of coffee, try this first. Once you've got everything assembled, have fresh coffee beans in the hopper and fresh water in the tank, reach for the double shot, double walled filter basket and snap it into place on the portafilter. This basket is actually for pre-ground coffee, but is very forgiving if you're new and just want a great cup of coffee. Set the grind setting to 3 and set the grind amount to about 20 to 30%. Make sure the single filter size is selected. Put the portafilter under the grinder and press and release to grind the beans. Then take out, tamper down a little, put back and repeat this process one more time. Tamper evenly until the silver part of the tamper is nearly submerged with a light amount of pressure. For example, the pressure you would use to check a bicycle tyre. Now secure this in place in the group head. Put a cup directly underneath and press the 2 cup button on the right. The coffee should start to flow smoothly with a brown gold colour and look rich in texture like mousse. Once finished, place the cup under the water dispenser and dispense the desired amount of hot water. Add milk if desired. And there you have it. A really quick way to get a good cup of coffee if you're new with the Barista Express. In future videos, we'll show you how to master the single-walled filter basket for the best tasting results, because this does take a little time to master and does use quite a lot of beans in the process. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in future videos.